everybody, Thomas Vanderkin back again, Global Account Manager from Lenovo with another unboxing video. Today we've got the Lenovo ThinkPad A285. So I know many of you have been watching along with me. You're going to know that the A series is going to be our AMD product, but also the 285, you're all going to know what that means. So the 2 is our 12-inch screen, so actually 12.5-inch screen. So this is going to be a smaller, kind of a travel type size laptop. But then also the 8 is going to be the 8th generation, and the 5 because it's AMD. So if it ended in a 0, you know that'd be an Intel product. So back with another AMD product today, the A285 ThinkPad. So let's go ahead and start opening this up. One thing I did want to talk about today, really excited inside of Lenovo, obviously. We were the #1 PC manufacturer in the world for a few years, lost that title, but back again, just announced, both IDC and Gartner put us back in the #1 position of the most PCs sold last quarter around the world. So really big news for us to be back in that position. We really want to be that. We think we deserve it. So great to be back in the Lenovo as the #1. So. Let's see how this box is going to open. So, okay, so here we go. ThinkPad A285. Wow, it feels good, looks good. So I've talked about this before also, but based on the generation of the product, sometimes we do just upgrade a previous product, put the new processor in it. That's pretty much what we did when we went the 475 to the 485, put the new Ryzen processor in it. But the A285, full redesign product. So we're really looking forward to seeing how this one looks and feels. So let's go ahead and take this out, see what else came in the box. So we got our AC adapter, 65-watt AC adapter, US line cord, and the safety material. So that's it in the box, but it's a pretty small package for a small laptop, which is really good. So let's go ahead and open up the package. Look for that distinctive AMD branding on there and turn this thing on. So I'll put the specific specs for this one. Obviously, we're able to build this however our customers would like to have it built. Generally, 12.5-inch screen is always going to stay the same. We can put a different processor in it from AMD. This is AMD Ryzen, so that's the only option available in here, but there's 3 different levels of it. You can go to the Ryzen 3, Ryzen 5, or Ryzen 7. This one has the Ryzen 5 in it. It's got the touch fingerprint reader, and it's got the Think Shutter camera in there, just like all of our ThinkPads do now, the new ones. So depending on the screen, but most of them have the Think Shutter. It's going to have a lot of ports on here. We'll hopefully get a zoom in on those. But along the side, we've got the USB-C for charging. We've got another USB-C here for our dock. I know I've done a couple docking videos recently, so hopefully you've seen how that would work. The USB-A, HDMI, and the headphone jack. Around the back, nothing, of course. And then on the side here, just another USB, traditional USB, and the Kensington lock. On the bottom, completely flat, because the docking is now moved to the side. Let's go ahead and power this on. Just get a quick confirmation that it works. Obviously, we're keeping this battery is not going to engage until we plug it in. So let's go ahead and put the US line cord onto the standard AC adapter. USB-C connector here. Plug this in here. We'll plug the power in. Push the power here. We got a little flash. Turning it on. Should get the welcome screen. Cortana's going to start talking to us here in a second, but I'm ready to go. Pretty much that's what I wanted to cover today. Quick video, but I wanted to get the A485 in front of you before I bring it out and introduce it to my customers. So that's it for today. Thomas Vanderkin, Global Account Manager, Lenovo, signing off. We'll see everybody next time for the next unboxing. Bye, everybody.